Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. In our last video, we have seen how to include special characters on our web pages, right? We have seen several examples over here. So now what we will do, we will learn how to add emojis to our web pages as well. See, just like our last video, I have added some references as well for your ease of practicing, right? So these are not all the emojis listed over here, but of course for practice purpose I have added around 82 emojis, sorry. So you can go ahead and practice. I have given hexacode, decimal code, and these are the names of these emojis for your reference. So let's go ahead and try to add these emojis to our web page and see how to implement these emojis, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to my code editor, and first thing that I need to do is I need to create a new page, new file called as ch21 underscore emoji.html, save it. And what I'll do, I'll just copy this last video file, that is special characters chapter, and paste it in my emojis file as well, so that because I'll just copy the boilerplate, right? And I'll change the chapter title, chapter 21 emoji in HTML. Perfect. Now save it. Let's go to our browser. Perfect. So we don't have anything over here. So we don't have anything over here in the content section, so that we are not being able to see anything over here as well. So what I'll do, I'll try to add some heading tags so that the font size is enlarged, so it is visible for you in the video as well. It is not important that you need to use H1 tag only. You can use any tag, paragraph tag or heading tag or any other H tag also. Right now, let me save it and go back to my practice sheet. And let's say if I want to add this emoji with goggles, sunglasses, right? And what I have is I have hexacode and decimal code. If you see, decimal code we have it in a proper syntax, but hexacode we don't have it in a syntax. So what I'll do, I'll copy this hexacode, and if I try to paste it here, it will be rendered as plain text. See, if you save it and go back here and see, it is being displayed in the plain text format, but I want an emoji over here, right? So what I'll do, I'll add a syntax. The first thing that you can do is, first thing is add semicolon, and then go back here on the front, and what you need to do, you need to have this ampersand and hash symbol, and then for hexacode we will have small case x, small case x. Save it. If you see, your emoji has been inserted in your browser or web page, right? Perfect. So now let's try to add the same emoji by using the decimal code. So if you see, decimal code, as I told, it will start from ampersand and then hash symbol and then end with the semicolon. So already everything is perfect. It is mentioned here in a syntax, right? So I'll just copy this and I'll try to paste it. H1, paste the decimal code, and if you go to here, your page, and see, you will be able to see it is getting displayed, right? So it was already in syntax, so I didn't have to edit anything. So let's say if I want to display something like fearful face, again in hexacode, if this is a hexacode that has been given to me, I'll copy this hexacode and I'll go back here and H1, this is hexacode, it will end with semicolon and it will start with ampersand, hash or pound symbol, and then small case x. Save it, and then if you refresh, a fearful emoji is being displayed. Let's say there are some emojis that are not being displayed, they have not been yet enlisted or listed over here. So what you will do, let's say if I want to add a heart emoji, you just need to type it on Google, right? So what is my intention is I need to explain you what exactly this emoji is and how it is being displayed on the HTML, how we can display. So what you need to do, just type heart emoji, open some website, random website. This was an ad, I guess. So let's see. Yeah, copy paste. You can simply, copy this and can simply copy this and come back here and you can paste it. Paste the emoji. Save. See that emoji is being displayed. This is also a method. And then symbols. Okay, we are not getting any code over here. Okay, we can simply copy paste. If this is the heart icon, let's say if I copy this heart icon and I can go back to my editor and I can paste it, save, and it will be displayed here as well on my web page. But what if I need a code? Let's see if we can get a code for this heart icon, heart emoji, HTML code, ampersand. This is the entity name, so let's copy this and h1, paste the entity name, save it. Let's see. Okay, so heart is being displayed. What else? Is there any other code that we can use? Here we have decimal code, and this is also a decimal code, right? So if we use both code, then our styling will be correct. So let me copy this whole code and h1, paste the emoji, save it, and if you go back here, you can see this, right? And what if I remove one code from here? What will it happen? Let's try to remove one code and save. See, the styling goes off. So I guess what they have done is they have created this black heart and then they have created a smaller size red heart inside it so that it depicts a visual representation of that, styled version. Anyways, let's undo this and save it, and we now know that this is how we can embed emojis on our web page by using code or by just simply copy pasting the particular emoji as well. So I hope this is clear by now. So I'm confident that you'll be able to use any special character or you'll be able to use any special emojis that are either listed in our practice sheet, or even if it is not listed here, still you will be able to use it, right? So if you have any questions or if you get stuck while practicing, please let me know in the comment section or in a discussion forum. I'll be more than happy to clarify your questions. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with another interesting concept in HTML, that is how to embed audio and video files in our HTML page. Thank you.